In today's video, I'll teach you how to view cart on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option Marketplace. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the Marketplace interface. So in the Facebook Marketplace, you'll not be able to add the items to cart, but what you can do is simply tap on this option save and the listing will be saved. Now if you want to view the saved listing, what you have to do is go back. Now tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Saving the items on Facebook Marketplace is equivalent to adding it to the cart. So if you want to view the cart, what you have to do is view the saved items. Tap on this option saved items that you can see at first. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see all of your saved items over here. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you view cart on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.